Alrighty, so just got back from town and I bought a battery right down there. But I forgot to grab one of them two for a cord, so I gotta go back over in town at some point in the next few days and get my cord charged back. But yeah, the old battery I had, which was brand new, and I bought the wrong one. It still worked, but basically the one that I needed, which, give me just a second, I'm gonna put the battery in here and then I'll explain it a little bit better. So basically, the old battery that I had sat in here just like that. Now the problem that I had was this was a negative terminal, this was the positive terminal. Now obviously this is backwards, but my leads had to stretch all the way over here to make it work, and I didn't realize that. So I actually went and bought the right battery. So now my leads don't have to stretch as far. So I actually had this one so far stretched that now it's got to be able to flex back. So no telling what's going to happen when I put power to it. Hopefully nothing. And it's upside down. Oh, man. Get a little snug. Grab this guy. Got us. Hope nothing bad happens. Okay, good. Now, see what happens. Oh, and I did pick up some wiper blades. This is the old one was. It's a little floppy. All right, I'm going to have to prime the pump a couple times. Well, we got power. Okay, good. All right, let's see what happens. Well, actually fired up pretty smooth. I don't know if it's going to idle down or not. Probably won't, because it hasn't ran in a while. There we go. We're gonna take her for a little drive around the unit here. So I gotta move this unit out of the way. Alright. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, go take a little drive around the unit. I gotta two-pedal it because it might die on me. Oh, shocking no. That don't work. I haven't been able to figure it out. I tied the wire to the distributor, or to the one side of the coil, and it tells you it's reading, but it ain't doing a whole lot. So I got to figure out what's going on with that. I think I actually have to tie it in with the ignition cylinder. But that's the first time I'm driving it since before the snowfall. Tires are rubbing a little bit because I need to. Tires are on it. They're not even supposed to be on this. They're way too wide, but I did that on purpose. But I might end up changing the fronts out to something a little bit skinnier, maybe. We'll see. Because I like the track look, the stock car look. But what I need to do is I need to raise the front about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches, and hopefully the new struts actually stiffen it up a little bit. But as is, I know the driver's side's got some play on the wheel, and then I don't know about the passenger side, but I know the front end's gonna need some work. And then the rear, same thing. I need to raise it up about 1 inch or two. Put new springs and shocks on it, which I got an idea on what kind of shocks I want to put on it. So, but when I pull around here, I'm gonna cut the video off, and I'm gonna take it into town. Well, that sucks. We've had some really nasty storms just come right through here, and I was getting ready to put the new wipers on the car, and I looked at the radar, and there was a lot of nasty storms coming in, like right at the last second. Like, I knew it was going to rain, but I didn't think it was going to rain that bad. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go and take it for a test drive like I'd want. So I'll have to come back up here next week, Monday, because I'm going to be out of town this weekend. So, well, I guess I'll head back home. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next one.